Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this setup behind me and give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to place the flowers, place the balloons, and create this enchanted garden theme backdrop for your next event. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe below. Leave me your comments and stick around for more.
For today's setup, I am already using this garland, repurposing it from an arrangement that I did for a baptism. I just took the gold balloons out and decided to add this light blue color and purple. All of these balloons are my Callison brand. This one I believe is stone color. It's called a stone color, and I'm using 260s to add my new balloon clusters to my piece. I always attach them with the 260s on my stands to secure them in place. A lot of people think that I just like squish them down between the wall and the stand, and no, not at all. I use 260 to secure my garlands. So like I said, I used the garland that I already had, took the gold balloons out, and decided to add the blues and purples to give it a different look. So I'm just adding the new colors on the little pockets where I see that I need some colors. All of these Callison balloons are beautiful, but I needed a purple, a softer shade of purple. So I decided to double stuff my balloon. You can see the difference here, the regular purple between the one that's double stuff. So normally when you see the double stuff on camera, it looks more like a whitish, but when you put it against the other colors, that's when the purple shows up. And I'm just using these double stuffed balloons as accents to my piece. I don't have that many, being that it's the custom made. So my cluster, again, I put them in pockets where I see it needs a little bit of color. And I try to like do the colors separated from each other to give it a more cohesive look, if that makes any sense. So you see me double stuffing on the quads. Normally, because I'm doing it at home, I have the time to just build a quad, add it to my piece, and see where I need more. For a regular event, I will do the same exact thing, but I will have all the quads already, all the clusters already made, and take a ton of pictures and bring them to the place so that I have almost like a puzzle piece, so to speak. And that way I can win some time. Here, I don't mind it as much as at my house, so I'm just playing with the design. So you can tell I didn't like how it looks. So I'm moving this balloon, purple balloon at the bottom. I wanted to make it more organic, not so much of a square look on my piece. So I decided to put it at the bottom and build from there down. I love this Kiara walls. They're so versatile, and you can make different designs. You can accomplish that organic look. And, it's always fun to create new ideas that you get to market and people get to see what you can do. So for those of you who don't know, for my clusters, I always use a quad of balloons that are 12-inch, and then I add another a duplet of a 12-inch and an 18-inch. That's the bigger balloon. So it's a total of 6 balloons altogether that I consider a cluster, and that will be an equivalent for me to a foot. So when I charge my clients, I will normally charge per foot. So in this case, let's see, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is about, I would say, like 18 feet of garland if you count all the clusters. So, And as you can see here, I'm moving on to my little ones. These are 5-inch balloons that I inflate to 2 pumps each. And I create my tiny little clusters to add to my piece. In this case, I only have the blue shade on 5 inches. I don't have the purples because those were custom made. So I will just add these little ones to my piece. You guys, through the years, and it's been about 4 years now with my business, I've collected so many greenery and artificial flowers. I have to like color coordinate them and arrange them nicely for you guys so you can see the madness. But what I'm doing today, I'm using some of these flowers and creating this like look. I want to give it a garden feel to this garland, so I am going to be using the colors for the flowers that match the colors to my garland. I didn't want to make it all different colors because I wanted it an easier, softer palette look, if that makes any sense. So for this, I'm using mainly like hues of blues, creams, and purples and whites for my garlands, and just in it in bunches. So I personally love to use greenery to add more dimension to my pieces. Plus, I think it's so gorgeous. Like the final look is just, I don't know, it's like stepping into an enchanted garden. So that's just me. And anything that I can get my hands on as far as flowers and greeneries, I'm always like searching for them. So if you ask me where did you get them, I don't have a particular link. If I walk into, say, Joann's Fabrics and I see greenery that I like and it's on sale, I'll get it. If I walk at the dollar store, same thing. If I order them online, I always get them from everywhere and I collect them. The clients never keep my greenery. They're considered rentals because they are expensive. So before you know it, I will be like spending and wasting money. So here, as you can see, I'm using like very soft hues of the blue, and each bunch comes with like 3 or 4 stems. So what I do is I create my own little bouquet by using different hues. And you can see I'm using a little bit of the darker blue, some cream, some pinks, some greenery. That's actually purple, not pink, but you get the point. So I create this tiny mini bouquet, right? And I just place them in between the balloons. Nothing to it. Just make sure you don't poke the balloons when adding them. I just squeeze them in between. Now, there are other people that use rubber bands to secure their flowers. I don't. I make sure that when I put them in between the balloons that they're very tight in there. But yeah, there's different ways you can do to ensure that they don't fall out. I haven't had any issues yet, but I make sure that they're really tight and they're not loose at all. And as you can see me just going in and out, looking back at the piece and see where it needs more green. And I just play with the design that way. I feel like there's no right method to adding greenery because if you really go into the outdoors and look at nature, it's beautiful, right? It's all over the place, the flowers. So you shouldn't follow a pattern per se for your pieces. It's as organic as it can get. So here's the final result, you guys. Look at how wonderful these like flowers look. And honestly, video or pictures don't do any justice to this piece. And I'm in love with how it looks, how romantic it looks. But I hope you guys enjoy more videos like this because I had so much fun putting this together. And I'll pop in some pictures so you can see from afar how it looked.
Hi guys, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today on how to build this beautiful backdrop. with the enchanted theme garden feel to it. So I hope you like more videos like this. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe below. Leave me your comments, and I can't wait to create more videos for you guys. So until next time, see you guys later. Bye bye.